you will cleanse your body with this beautiful beverage. And for that, it will has a lot of green vegetable, some carrot, some beetroot, and some lemon. First, we need to juice some celery. I have a beautiful juicer right here, and I would suggest you to invest some money in your own at home as well, because if you have a cheap one, then it might take you 5 hours until you have cleaned that one after you worked with it. And trust me, you will lose your passion right away after that. So, I would say we cut now the cucumber. Juice this right through. Okay, that should do it. Let's take our blender, add our celery cucumber mixture. Now we add around 50 milliliters of beetroot, followed by carrot juice, and we will add a little parsley on top. Let's put a few ice cubes inside. And let's blend this. Lovely. Smells very rooty, but this is a very, very vitamin bomb. So here we go. Look at that beautiful color, huh? So I have cut a little cucumber leaf to put on top. Here we go. And a little carrot flower to garnish it out, maybe right behind it. Here it is. Our body cleans. Please enjoy.